So what's going on, everybody? JA, we're back. We got a brand new video. Appreciate all you guys for tuning in. Today, we have an early look at this weekend's upcoming YEEZY release. So to no stranger, the 500 Granite is very similar to previous colors released. So for today's video, we're gonna determine if it's worth your purchase. And today's video will be very helpful as well if you've never owned a pair of 500. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the 500 Granite is scheduled to drop this Saturday, which is May the 14th, via the Confirmed app, YEEZY Supply, as well as select retailers. Now, retail on these joints, $210. And man, I remember back in my day, 500s used to just cost $200, but it seems that YEEZY, Adidas, they slipped that little slight $10 increase for inflation on us, and nobody really seems to notice or care. But imagine if they keep doing that to us and these joints retail at like $250 in the next couple of years. But anyways, we got to get into this unboxing. We already know the YEEZY 500 is a great sneaker. You know, I've been copping these joints since the OG blush pair released back in the day. But the real question is, because this pair is very similar in terms of the colorway compared to other colorways that have dropped and even recently dropped, I want to know if these joints are really worth the retail price point. Are these worth me spending another $210 on a pair of Yeezys that look similar to colorways I already own? Let's go ahead and get these joints opened up. Salute to Jay Joseph, man. #1 sneaker plug in the game, but his taping game is a little off on this one. It's taking me a minute to get these joints open, but let's go ahead and see what we got going on here. So So we got the box. You guys know how it goes. Your standard YEEZY 500 box. Colorway is called Granite. When I first heard about the Granite colorway, if you guys follow the channel, I was hoping maybe we were gonna get something a little crazy, but it turns out we have another earth tone pair, but that's not necessarily a bad thing, because I feel like the 500 is like a great all-around everyday type of sneaker. So a lot of you guys are probably checking for these joints. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Very similar to previous colorways, but you guys already know what time it is. I need everybody to get in the comments, drop your first impressions on the upcoming 500 Granite. We're gonna take a quick break to pay some bills, but we'll be right back. Salute to Attic for sponsoring today's video. Are you looking to secure some of the most hyped upcoming releases like the Jordan Travis Scott 1 Lows or the Off-White Jordan 4s? Well, AddictBot has been having tons of success for all of its users over the past 2 years. You don't want to miss your chance to purchase Addict upon their next restock. Addict provides support, monitors, raffles, and even custom push notifications. That way you don't miss out on any of the hype upcoming drops. Make sure you guys sign up at addict.io. The best thing about Addict is once you purchase it, you have it for life. It's just a one-time fee and you own it forever. So if you guys are interested in copping Addict, be sure to click the link in the description or simply sign up for notifications at addict.io. Okay, so what does everybody think about this sneaker? I'm taking a look at these joints for the first time. You know, I'm thinking very similar to previous releases. Of course, you have the Utility Black. I consider those one of the OGs. And then you have recent releases like the Clay Brown. These have a similar earth tone vibe to those, as well as the Ash Gray. So to perfectly kind of describe the color tone that you have with this model, I would say it's somewhere in between the Ash Gray and then the Utility Black. I mean, looking at these joints, of course, you know, the lighting always plays tricks on us, but it's once again another one of those YEEZY colors that, depending like on the lighting and the angle, you kind of see different hues going on with this shoe. I'm not capping y'all, like, but if we just look at this sneaker just by itself, let's forget that any of the other colorways released. The one color I would describe these with are like dark gray, like a charcoal gray. But I mean, looking at the details, y'all, I'm seeing like green hues almost with this sneaker. But Taking a look at the 500, you guys already know it's a great shoe. You got the big chunky sole. For those of you guys that have never owned this model or aren't aware, this is a retro sole, so it comes from out the Adidas vault. This was actually inspired by a retro Kobe model. So a cool, interesting fact about this shoe, as you get into the upper, you've got a combination of suede, leather, and mesh. And as we expect with Yeezy models, you have good quality products for a standard, sneaker. So for those of us that have never owned a 500 model, in terms of sizing, I would say that the Yeezy 500 does run just about true to size. Don't get that mixed up with the highs. I feel like those joints run a little bit smaller, but the low tie model just about runs true to size. But for those of my people with wider feet, and you just may want a little extra wiggle room in the front, it doesn't hurt to go a half size up. I may even recommend to go a half size up because it seems like the newer 500s that have been produced in the last couple of years may fit possibly a little smaller, as well as have a slightly more narrow silhouette. It's not a noticeable difference, but just my take on it. So you can half size up on this model. In terms of comfort, great. I wouldn't say that they're the most comfortable Yeezy, as they don't feature boost, but they're a great, comfortable model, and just the standard that we expect when it comes to the Yeezy brand. A small hidden detail would be the 3M, which hits right on the lip of this paneling and actually continues around the entire shoe. So overall, the 500 Granite is yet another great Yeezy release. Now, is it worth paying the $210 retail if you already own a similar colorway? I would say no, unless you're like a die-hard Yeezy enthusiast, or some people even collect every colorway. But just for me personally, being that I own the utility black already and my joints are still in great condition over the years, I feel like this is really unnecessary for me personally, but I'm a fan of these joints as a standalone release. So guys, get in the comments. Of course, I would love to know the community's feedback on this release. Do you guys feel like this is a great colorway, or do you feel like it's not necessary if you own something similar? I feel like once people get these joints though in hand, they'll really appreciate the attention to detail. As I myself, you guys seen the video, I can't stop looking at these joints. They're great, but I can't bring myself, to pay retail on these joints. In terms of resale value, it seems like the 500 has somewhat leveled out with all of the similar colorways that have dropped, in the last couple of years. So I don't expect resale prices to be too crazy on these. So if you're in the market for your first pair of 500s and you happen to strike out on these, wait a week or two and you should be able to get these joints for just like, a minimal price over the retail value, on the secondary market. So another great upcoming Yeezy release from Adidas. These joints are dropping Saturday. I want to wish everybody good luck, that's looking to cop these joints. Of course, make sure you enter the raffle via the Confirmed app. Yeezy Supply, you can put your chances in there as well. But if you're really interested in getting these joints, easy little tip is just to enter as many raffles as you guys can. My guy, Yeezy Influence, he provides links to all of the raffles on his site, YeezyInfluence.com. So that's just an easy way to go ahead and cop these. But I don't think they'll be too difficult of a cop. Also, check out the local raffles, which are available via the Adidas app if you have a flagship store in your area. So that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. Let me know what y'all think about these joints. If you enjoyed today's video, help out a small creator by hitting the thumbs up here on today's video. I'm J.A. Stay safe, stay blessed, y'all. And I'm out. Huge salute.